G'day folks, just a real quick look at my seed starting platform and what I've planted in there. I've planted it out and I was going to give you a quick look. Hope everyone's staying safe and well, and let's get to it. G'day folks, just planting my seeds for spring. Spring's not far away and I thought I'd get these seeds in and get them up and running so I can whack them in these grow beds that are getting empty pretty fast. Colliers are finished. Broccoli is just on their second round of stuff. Peas are coming along quite well up the back there, so they're not doing too bad. Wrong way, so they're doing pretty good. So what I'm doing at the moment is planting my seeds in these little shot glasses or plastic glasses. I put some holes in. They sit in the seed raising bed, which is this. So they all sit in here. They get pushed down in the water and it keeps it moist all the way through. I've planted some tomatoes, sweet cherry tomatoes. So I've planted 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of them. As you can see, I haven't watered these and they're already moist, so I don't have to actually water them. These next couple will be tomatoes and they'll be Gross Lisa tomatoes, which is these ones here, is the ones I'm planting next. Will be Gross Lisa, and after that I'll be doing some capsicums or peppers. So I'll be planting some of these red peppers, and that will be in my seed raising area. After that I'll be planting some cucumbers, but I've got to sort through and see what I'm going to plant this year. Okay folks, so I'll get back to you when I've done that and give you a little lookie. Okay, done. We've got Gross Lisa tomatoes in there, sweet cherry tomatoes on that side. So that's all planted. Other side we've got capsicums, red ones, planted and ready. Duckweed's going well. Got to take some out, put in the fish tank. All the fish tanks are going well. I'm having a bit of trouble getting some silver perch, but I'm working on it. So folks, if you like what I'm doing, this was just a quick look of what I've been planting today. Not a sort of show how or anything, just a quick look. If you like what I'm doing, hit that subscribe button and bell, and I shall, YouTube shall let you know when I upload another video, and you can keep track on how these seeds are going and raising in my seed starter platform. So folks, hope everyone's having a wonderful day, and I shall catch you next video. Stay safe and I shall see you later.